जकार्तात जाल्ले एशियन गेम्सांत गोंयचे डॅन आनी कात्यान भारताचें प्रतिनिधित्व केलें. विंड सर्फिंगांत तांकां बरे तरेन तयारी आनी परफॉर्मन्स करूंक नवें सर्फिंग बोट मेळूंक नाशिल्ल्यान कास्तीक जाली म्हूण तांचो कोच डॉनाल्ड कोएल्हो सांगता. आतां डॅनाच्या ऑलिंपिक तयारेक सरकारान बरे पैकी आदार करचो म्हूण डॉनाल्ड मागता.
It was very honored to be there to represent the country. It was something that I've always wanted to do, and it was like a dream come true for me to be there among so many great athletes and just to be a part of it all.
It was a really great opportunity for us. It was a nice learning experience that we got to go to the Asian Games, and we're very proud that we had this opportunity to represent our country.
See, now I know that for the two boats it has got sanctioned. I would appreciate for the government to convert the same thing into a new proposal, because now these boats are no use for us. Now since Dane is preparing for 2020 Olympic, so it is more better for him to buy an RSX, which is an Olympic class, and whatever the money is there, if they can utilize towards his training program, which will help us. Now his focus is main towards 2020 Olympics, getting India qualified.
So, around a month ago, before the event, my dad told me that we would be getting new equipment from the government so that we could use it for the event. So we were training with the equipment that we had before the event, and when we train on the equipment, there's a lot of wear and tear that takes place. So unfortunately, the equipment that we were supposed to get didn't arrive in time, and so we had to use the same equipment that we were training with, and it was just not fast enough. So we lost out a lot because of the equipment, because it was not given to us in time.
रायची स्नोज फुटबॉल अकादमी दक्षिण गोंय यारी कप फुटबॉल सर्तीत वचतात. फायनलीत तांणी चांदोर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक पेनल्टी शूटआउटार 7-6 गोलांनी मारले.
To preside, we have Mr. Satish Shetty, State Customer Marketing Manager, Diageo India, Mr. Mahindra Shirbate, Team Leader South Goa Diageo, and Mr. Joe Dyer of Vijay Arts.
By a bumper claim.
Couple of years.
तरंग चवथीचो बाजार 3 ते 5 सप्टेंबर पणजे जाल्यार 7 ते 9 सप्टेंबर पर्वरे. हस्तकला, घरांनी लागपी वस्तू आनी इको फ्रेंडली आयटम ह्या खासा बाजारात आसात. पणजे केणी हॉटेलात जाल्यार पर्वरे स्पोर्ट्स अँड कल्चरल क्लबात हो बाजार आसतलो. हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.